So we are trying Mooyahs. Burgers, fries, and shakes. Looks good.
You're doing too much. Okay.
What's on that? What burger did you get?
I don't know. I got the chips and shit. I added some shit. I don't know.
Okay, so he customized the burger.
Yeah. I forgot.
With the fries. And when you sign up, you get a free shake. So we both got one for signing up. Look good. We haven't tasted them yet. You can't tell the difference in them, but the fries.
I give my approval. I like it. I ain't give you nothing to cut this with.
No.
I'm just going to try it now.
Yep.
So, feel like a disaster waiting to happen right there. Let me see what this ain't hitting for.
Fries are good and crunchy.
Definitely got the right amount of crunch. Ain't soggy. Look at that burger.
Plenty of toppings.
Chips. Let's give it a bite. What's on the bottom?
She said she put napkins. Oh, they did put napkins.
I don't know what that Mooyah sauce is. It's different though. It's like a I don't know.
Good or bad?
It's good. The burger is actually cooked pretty good. I would like mine a little raw. Yeah, raw. That's a little overdone for me. But man, good burger. You know it's good when it's messy.
Napkin number 2. Good sign.
You gotta use a paper towel for every bite. So yeah, it's a good burger. Let's see what the shaking on though.
I tasted, I'm pretty sure that's the Reese's.
And look, ain't no shake. Yeah, well, it is shaking. So I guess we can give it a shake.
All the chunks in the bottom.
I ain't really big on sweets. Well, some lactose, so I don't know. It's good, it just ain't for me.
Alrighty. So overall, would you come back? Oh, hold on. You gotta try the other one. That's cookie dough.
Cookie dough, huh? I'm sure it's gonna be through the roof. I definitely like mine's better. This one too sweet for me. That cookie dough a little too sweet. Gotta have that peanut butter.
Okay, now we have to try the patty melt.
What?
The patty melt.
Oh my goodness. I'm trying to get food.
I don't know.
Oh, this look like. See that? Is that a pancake, y'all?
That definitely looks different.
That's a pancake. That look like a pancake, y'all. They put on a damn burger.
I don't want a pancake. Yeah, what's up with that?
I don't mind. Don't worry about it. Let me get to the bottom of this. I'm glad you brought up the patty melt.
Me too.
Now that you say that,
Tasting the patty melt now.
now what came on yours?
Grilled onions, the cheese, pickles, lettuce, and jalapenos.
I'm gonna tell you, that's probably one of the best patty melts I ever had.
Rave reviews for the patty melt.
Yeah.
I customized it.
But yeah,
So Mooyah, as a go, we come back.
I give Mooyah 9 out of 10.
Heck yeah, Mooyah.
Everything popping, but these shakes.
He's just a hater. He just don't like shakes. They're really good.
You can have mine.
Yes to Mooyah.